Hello people, welcome back to more with Among Us. Last time we left off, we had a chest with Colin, and now we're being awakened by a knock. Hopefully it's Faith, or maybe it's just some random guy trying to sell us something. Let's find out. Stop being on the daggone door, you're not big that... Actually, never mind, I'm not doing that anymore. Don't say that joke. No. That's racist, I guess. Two fables. I don't know.
Bigby!
Snow?
Come with me.
Sure, I'll come with you.
Snow? Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
What happened?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
My hand is getting a cramp just by holding this camera. What do we have ourselves here? What's under the security jacket? You have pretty much no choice but to just pick it up. I'm actually not that surprised.
Knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right?
No, she's a Fable, I think.
Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
A working girl, I guess?
A working girl?
A working girl? I'm a working... Oh.
The woodsman. He attacked her, I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
Okay, what happened? Tell me what happened.
It took me a second to realize what I was even looking at.
So, tell me what happened. Every detail.
I wish there was more to tell. I left the office, walked past the security desk. Luckily, he was asleep.
Grimble?
Yeah. And I opened the door and I found her. Like this. I came to get you right away.
And that's all?
That's it. Sorry. Bigby, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. Have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
I don't know. Let's look at the net.
Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
So it's probably a witch or the woodsman, because wasn't there like an axe that was really sharp or something? I don't know. Yeah. I think.
What is...
grab it. Grab the whatever that is.
It's a ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
I don't recognize it.
Neither do I.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
You have to investigate more.
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Okay, we have blood down here. Touch the blood, Bigby. Touch it. It's just blood.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour, maybe?
Okay, so we know that was there for an hour. Oh, oh no. Daggone, it was too late. Nothing.
Just some loose trash.
Okay, so apparently there isn't... Oh, wait. Blood. Touch.
Blood. Still wet.
Wait a minute.
Sharp enough. Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, and left the trail I found earlier.
Yeah, but that one was been there for an hour, right? And this one should be an hour then. It shouldn't be still fresh, right?
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
It really doesn't. But we got it. Okay. Maybe it's just over here somewhere? I don't know. Apparently not. Apparently. Up. Okay.
Where are you going? Are we done?
Yes. I have seen enough.
I've seen enough.
But... Okay. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on?
This is probably a message or
Why
something.
her?
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
Whoever did this isn't exactly hiding it. The placement of the head, it's exact, purposeful. She was placed here precisely for us to find. All of us.
Well, yes. I guess you're right. The killer wanted us to know what they had done. I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well
Just
get out in
wait a
front of it.
little.
We should wait until we have more to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that. And I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go a little bit extra
Crane's
long
not what's
and
important right
fussy.
now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
This game is well detailed. Okay, sure, I'm guessing it's saving. Let's hope so. Yeah, it did. Shoot, since that save is done, I'm gonna actually end this here. Sure, thank you guys for watching. Tune in next. Thank you guys for watching, folks.